Welcome back to another episode of Lucid Daily. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I hope you are ready to get into this fun episode. Today we are going to talk first about the stock price and exactly what happened with other electric vehicle companies around the market, and then we'll go ahead and get into some pretty big Lucid news. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to know is Lucid was up 6% today. They did officially announce their earnings, and we will get into that, and that is a large portion. But there was also some other relatively big news around Lucid, so let's continue to get into it. You did have Tesla up 1.8% today, they were also up 0.5% in the after hours, and you did have Rivian up 6.46% today, and almost up 0.5% in the after hours. So overall, a fairly green day for EVs. Next is Travis Morgan was supposed to receive his Lucid Delivery this weekend. However, he did tell me, I tweeted at him and asked him if he got his car this weekend. He said FedEx dropped the ball, but you can see on the bottom tweet that the delivery should be there within the hour. And then 42 minutes ago, you saw that he did have a covered trailer outside of his house, and you really can tell right here that Lucid really does try to go the extra mile in delivering their vehicles in a very elegant way. I mean, a covered trailer with, I don't know how many cars in there. It looks like there could be two, but maybe just the one. So it's a pretty impressive way. Maybe I don't know if they're going to do these with all of their cars. I can't imagine. Maybe just the Dream Edition. So super cool. Hopefully we can get another update from Travis as the night goes on. Follow me on Twitter and I'll retweet his tweet. All right, next thing, this is just important for the battery technologies in general, is that Tesla did ship their first 4680 Giga Texas Model Ys today. So just starting to see cool battery technology get pushed out to the whole market. The next thing is, I don't know how new this is, but Project Gravity did open up a waitlist. I don't know if this is new, if this is old, or if I just found this today, but I did see it on Twitter. So I went ahead and put my name and email on the Project Gravity waitlist just to see if we can get any updates about when they're going to start production, any kind of specs that go out. So you can either join the waitlist or just subscribe and you can get all the updates here. Next thing is Lucid Nair tweeted an email that he told me was from a friend of a trusted. His friend received this email and he really trusts his friend. So not anything too new we see here except for what I have highlighted in yellow. In this portion that I have highlighted in yellow here says we anticipate beginning deliveries of Touring in the second quarter of 2022, with Pure following late in the second half of 2022. Please keep in mind that this is our best estimate at the moment and may change as we approach these dates. So it does sound like they have just been all of Q4 and Q1 of 2022. They've been shipping the Dream Edition, which is kind of what we've been able to tell from Bears Workshop's Flyovers. But it is good news that the Tourings aren't being delayed past the second quarter. So hopefully we can start to see some more Tourings and we can start to see those in the parking lot. And we did also have a Flyover today, so I'll get to that. Next thing is it did officially get announced that Lucid will report their fourth quarter fiscal year 2021 financial results on Monday, February 28th. And guess what? That is my birthday. So subscribe if you have not already. We will be live streaming this, so get some snacks or whatever because it'll be a fun time. And it will be a Q&A platform for shareholders as well. So if you could ask any question, this is the question today. If you could ask any question on the Q&A platform for shareholders, what question would you ask them on the earnings call? Go ahead and drop that in the comments below. The next thing is there was a lot of updates pushed out this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And one of the updates was they fixed the seat massages, which are actually pretty nice. I was super excited that I was actually able to experience all the different features of the car. And they adjusted sensitivity. And had some other minor updates as well. But the coolest part for me is the fact that they're pushing updates out so fast. They're not waiting a long time. There's not many companies. Obviously, Tesla's the leader in software updates and where their current software is at. But watching Lucid improve is really where the value of this company is going to start to earn itself. Seeing how fast they can push out these updates and how many things that they can fix. Hopefully, they can start to continue to do this and that their software will continue to improve and improve. Obviously, super optimistic about that. And like I said, the number one thing Lucid needs is time. They just need time to push these updates out. They need time to mess up and learn and get better. So with every update, I can imagine the car must be getting better. And I would love to have an owner on here eventually to kind of explain their experience from the day they received their car to how it is now. Let's continue. So Bears Workshop did do a flyover today, and as you can see here, Lucid's car count was 128 total cars, and he did have a Nikola and Lucid Flyover later posted. He already posted those. So as you can see, there's 128 total cars. Now, this was today around 2 p.m. he posted this. Just for reference, here's the one yesterday. There was 123 cars out, and there was 128. Obviously, these cars have moved around a ton. You see two trucks down there today. So hopefully they're starting to finish up their Dream Edition deliveries. I did see on another source. I couldn't find it to put it in my slideshow, but the other source did say that they have been waiting for fit and finish of the product when it comes to Lucid, one of the Dream Editions. And then the other cool part is Tesla Daily, which is a large inspiration to my channel of Lucid Daily. They just published their 1,000th episode of Tesla Daily. He reached out to Elon Musk, and Elon Musk did agree to be on one of his upcoming podcast episodes. So hopefully we can get this channel to that one day, and we can hopefully have Peter Rawlinson or somebody from Lucid that would be willing to come onto the podcast of one of the episodes. So let's start cranking out these episodes, and let's get this podcast rolling. But I do just want to invite you guys to subscribe. If you enjoy this form of news where you can get all of the information in one place, consider subscribing. We have daily episodes every single weekday. And if there's any major news, I'll post on the weekends if I have to. And I will also be doing a live stream of the earnings call. So consider subscribing for that. It'll be a fun time. It'll be my birthday. So I hope you guys are here to enjoy that. And comment, what question would you ask during the shareholder meeting? Let's see. Whoever has the best question, I will pin it to the top. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Hopefully we have some more big news. And like always, see you next time. Happy investing.